Changing your payout method on Reverb is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you update your payment preferences correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Reverb website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select Payout Preferences. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your payout method. Here you can add a new payout method or edit your existing one. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for your new payment method, such as bank account details or PayPal information. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification to verify that your payout method has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Reverb. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Reverb's customer support for assistance.